Thank you, Anthony. Again, 2020 Gene Systems. We're a little bit of a different business than Carpe Diem. We are a clinical lab testing company located in Gaithersburg, Maryland, about a 25-person company with a heavy focus on early cancer detection. Currently in the United States, most of the cancers that are lethal, most of the cancers that cause death, we do not have routine screening for. We screen for, if you're a man, prostate cancer, if you're a woman, mammogram, and then a colonoscopy, but there is no widespread screening for, widely used screening for lung cancer, pancreas cancer, ovarian cancer, liver cancer, and a number of others. That's unfortunate because if you can detect those cancers at an early stage when they can be surgically removed before they spread, the outcomes are excellent. So we offer a blood test, a simple blood test that detects these cancers at an earlier stage. We have what is known here in Washington, when something becomes popular, it's given an acronym. We're the city of acronyms, right? And the acronym here is MCED, Multi-Cancer Early Detection. And right now there's only two, there's a lot of buzz, a lot of interest in this, but there's only two companies that we know of that are actively marketing a test, us and a company called Grail. You may have heard of Grail. And that test is about just under $1,000. We're averaging in the $250, $250 range because we don't look at DNA. We look at proteins or antigens, like the A in PSA is antigen. And recently, we did a blinded validation study with the U.S. National Cancer Institute, and of about 24 companies that submitted, that participated in this, and you had to qualify to participate, we ranked number 3 in terms of accuracy and performance, and will likely be invited next year to participate in NCI-sponsored long-term randomized clinical trials. Additionally, one other advantage of proteins over DNA is we require much smaller quantities of blood that can be collected with devices like the one I'm holding in my hand that have recently entered the market with FDA clearance that painlessly take small amounts of blood from your upper arm. You don't need a needle. You don't need to go to a clinic to get it. You can do it in the comfort of your own home. So we have now enjoyed 10 consecutive quarters of revenue growth. We have a line of sight to profitability. Our costs are low, and we have growing adoption among both employers and consumers. Every day, 10 or 12 people buy online. And we have developed proprietary algorithms using machine learning that have been licensed to labs and health check centers throughout Taiwan and Japan, where this type of testing is commonplace. So why invest in our company? We are looking to raise ultimately $10 million, but we only need about $2 million to become profitable. So we have a special we call the Mr. Wonderful model, where we're offering, in addition to equity, royalties, where you're essentially guaranteed your money back. We are IPO ready. We have all of the audits and other things in place when the market's opened up. And they should open up soon now that the Fed has dropped the interest rates. We will be ready to go public. So we are a company for investors that want to see a return within about 2 years. We're a very good company for that. For those of you interested, we were hoping to have a formal luncheon. There were some logistical issues, but if you're interested in investing in our company, we're happy to take a few companies out to lunch. We have a table in the back with the One Test. One Test is our brand of our multi-cancer test. Come by, and we can enjoy lunch at to give some business to the Market Square as well, and you can learn a little bit more about our company and the investment opportunities. Thank you for your attention this morning.